Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. At the end of this video, you should know how to insert belting or ring beam in a drawing. So belting and or ring beam is the steelwork that is placed above the blocks. That is where we fasten our bolts to. So the belting is where the roof joins the wall. Yeah. The top of the belting to the foot finish floor gives our roof height. So to insert belting or ring beam in a drawing, so our belting or ring beam is typically 150 millimeter wide by 300 millimeters deep. So to insert that in AutoCAD architecture, we first go into tool palette. So we type TP for a tool palette, TP, enter. Next, we click here. No, but I don't see what I want. I want basics, I click on basics, and I go to insert, click here. And then I go here on the rectangular column. Then click this. I want to modify this, so I click here, and then I change this. The width, my width to be 150, 150, enter, and my depth to be 300. I click there, type 300. Yes, I want it to be chamfered, as I want the ends to be curved. I want the chamfer distance, 10 is good. I want this to be hatched, yes. I want to show reinforcement, yes. And I also want number of bars here that I want 3 bars on each side. The edge of offset, I want this to be about 13. So I'm 13 here. And I want this to be solid. All right, so once everything here is good, I then go to my drawing, and let's minimize this. I want this to be on the elevation. Or I could let it stay on the plan, because what I want is that. So I then click that, and we have it right here. All right. Now that we have inserted this here, our next step is to copy this to all the ring beams. So I'm gonna select this, type copy, C for copy. I'm gonna specify here as my base point. Then I'm gonna drop one here. Then I'm gonna go across. I'm deactivating orthogonal mode. Then I'm going across here. Click, then go across to the next column, copy one to here, then go across to the other column, drop one there. And basically it. So we insert a ring beam in a drawing. Again, guys, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. If you like what I'm doing, please drop a comment. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see me cover, please send me a message. All right.